Protecting your practice. A veterinarian's guide to professional liability insurance. Are you a veterinarian dedicated to providing the best possible care for your patients? But what happens when the unexpected occurs? A malpractice claim can threaten your career and financial stability. This video will demystify veterinary professional liability insurance, empowering you to protect your practice and your future. Veterinary professional liability insurance, often called malpractice insurance, is your financial safety net against claims of negligence. It's designed to protect you from the potentially devastating financial consequences of errors, omissions, or perceived negligence in your professional practice. This insurance covers a wide range of scenarios. Think misdiagnosis leading to improper treatment, surgical errors, or even medication mistakes. These situations, while hopefully rare, can lead to significant financial burdens without proper insurance. Imagine a client alleging their pet suffered due to a surgical error. Your professional liability insurance steps in to cover the legal defense costs, regardless of whether the claim is ultimately found to be valid. This protection is crucial. Without this insurance, even a single substantial claim could lead to bankruptcy. It's a critical investment in your professional well-being and the long-term viability of your practice. A comprehensive policy extends beyond just the veterinarian. It typically covers your employees, including veterinary technicians and assistants, who are acting under your supervision. Some policies may even include coverage for volunteers. The core of the coverage protects you against lawsuits alleging professional negligence. This means claims arising from your actions or inactions in the course of providing veterinary care. Defense costs are a significant component of any professional liability claim. Your insurance policy covers legal fees associated with defending yourself against a claim, even if the claim is ultimately dismissed. This coverage extends to expert witness fees, which can be substantial in complex cases. Expert witnesses are often needed to provide testimony regarding the standard of care in veterinary medicine. Court costs, including filing fees and other administrative expenses, are also covered. This coverage applies regardless of the outcome of the case, providing peace of mind knowing you won't be burdened with these expenses. If you are found liable for damages, your insurance policy covers the financial compensation awarded to the injured party. This coverage is crucial for protecting your personal assets. The coverage is provided up to the policy limits you select. It's important to choose adequate limits to protect yourself from potentially large claims. This coverage helps compensate the injured party for their losses, which may include veterinary bills, pain and suffering, and other related expenses. It provides a mechanism for resolving disputes fairly and efficiently. It's crucial to understand the exclusions in your policy. These are situations where coverage will not apply. Intentional acts such as deliberately harming an animal are never covered. Professional liability insurance is designed to protect against unintentional errors and omissions, not malicious behavior. Criminal activity is also excluded from coverage. If you are found guilty of a crime related to your veterinary practice, your insurance policy will not provide coverage. Certain cosmetic procedures may not be covered under standard professional liability policies. It's important to review your policy carefully to understand the specific exclusions that apply to your practice. Policy limits represent the maximum amount the insurance company will pay out for a covered claim. Choosing adequate limits is crucial to protect your financial well-being. Consider the potential severity of claims when selecting your policy limits. A complex surgical error, for example, could result in significant damages. Also, consider the financial resources of your practice. If you have significant assets, you may want to choose higher policy limits to protect them. Adequate policy limits provide a buffer against potentially devastating financial losses. It's an investment in your long-term financial security. Implementing robust risk management protocols is essential for minimizing the likelihood of claims. Proactive risk management can significantly reduce your exposure to liability. Meticulous record-keeping is paramount. Accurate and complete records provide a clear picture of the care you provided and can be invaluable in defending against a claim. Obtaining informed consent from clients before performing procedures is crucial. Ensure clients understand the risks and benefits of treatment options. Clear and consistent client communication is key to building trust and preventing misunderstandings. Keep clients informed about their pet's condition and treatment plan. Regular staff training on best practices and protocols is essential for ensuring consistent and high-quality care. Well-trained staff are less likely to make errors that could lead to claims. Selecting the right insurance provider is just as important as having the insurance itself. Not all providers are created equal. Compare quotes from different providers to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Don't just focus on price. Consider the coverage and service offered. Thoroughly understand the policy terms and conditions before making a decision. Pay close attention to exclusions, limitations, and claims procedures. Choose a company with a strong reputation for handling claims fairly and efficiently. Look for reviews and testimonials from other veterinarians. Select a company with experience in the veterinary field. They will be more familiar with the unique risks and challenges you face. Professional liability insurance is not just an expense. It's a vital resource for protecting your career and financial stability. It's an investment in your peace of mind. Understanding your coverage and exclusions is essential for making informed decisions about your insurance needs. Don't hesitate to ask your insurance provider questions. Remember, risk management is a proactive safeguard that can significantly reduce your exposure to liability. Implement robust protocols in your practice. By taking these steps, veterinarians can safeguard their practices and continue providing compassionate and effective care to their patients. It empowers you to focus on what you do best, caring for animals. This allows for continued compassionate care, knowing you have a safety net in place. It also allows for continued effective care, without the constant worry of potential financial ruin. Ultimately, understanding and utilizing professional liability insurance empowers veterinary professionals to practice with confidence and security. It encourages best practices in veterinary medicine, benefiting both practitioners and their patients. Ready to take the next step in protecting your practice? Contact a reputable veterinary professional liability insurance provider today for a free quote and consultation. Review your current policy to ensure it meets your needs. Implement or enhance your risk management protocols to minimize potential claims. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your future now.